Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the top React UI component libraries. So this is the second video that we are going to learn how to use the Tailwind CSS. This is the one of the most popular library, that is Tailwind CSS, that you can integrate with your React application. So let's see what is the main scope of that one and how we are going to integrate this one. So let's see the documentation of the Tailwind CSS, the most popular library for creating the React app. Okay, so here we go with the documentation. You can see that we have a component section over here, so you can use the components here, like you can go with the documentation. Okay, they have the 500 plus components, beautifully designed, expected crafted component that allow to accessibility. Okay, so here you can see that you have the tailwind at the css, or you can add just the css over here and you can configure like this also. So I'm going to use it in the react. So here we go with the react part. I think this is not tail. We will go with this one. Okay, so here first of all we have to create the react app project, then cd my project, then we have to install the tailwind css, then npx tailwind css in it, then you have to configure the tailwind.config.js, configure that one. Okay, then in index.css you have to add this one, and then npm start. Now you can use the components of the tailwind css and you're ready to go. Okay, so we will create a new project and set up this one. So let's see. Okay, so go to that one. It's currently, previously I have made that one, so let's install the this one also. So project is already done. Now install this one. So I will install this tailwind css. Okay, now we have to go with this one. Just me we have to go with this one, npm tailwind cs init, create a tailwind css config file. Okay, now next we have to configure this one. So let's open this one. So here we have the tailwind css config. So module content, so just we have to copy this one and add it over here. Okay, done. Moving to the next step, we have to add into our index.css. So let's go and add it. Index.css, here we have this one. Let's try to import this one. Okay, and then we have to, in app.js we have to add this one. Copy this, and here we go with the app.js. So let's control a, control v. Okay, export default this one. So this is basically the tailwind css class. Okay, so this is done. Next we have the npm run start. So let's try to run this one and let's see the tailwind css. So here you can see that we are successfully able to add the tailwind or integrate the tailwind css into your react project. Okay, so let's use any of the component over here. They have the different components, right? So let's go and check the documentation of that one. No, this is not that one. Then we have go with another. They have the layouts. Okay, flex boxes, order, shrink, padding, margin, font, backgrounds, effects, filters, bright tables. They have the tables, right? Let's see. Add any of the table. So if I go and just, so you can see that they have the table, they have the border spacing. So basically it's like a bootstrap. So like you can, if you want to make a new and nicer look of that one, you can use the tailwind css to customizing your theme. Okay, so here we have the transition properties. We have this one. Okay, and the svg typography forms are there. So they have the tailwind forms also, so you can install with this one and configure it accordingly. Okay, and basic usage is they have mentioning over here. This is the basic form, you can see, right? So this is how we are able to use the tailwind css into our project. And one more thing about the tailwind css, about the documentation. This is tailwind ui. and here you can see that how many likes and how many shares they have. They have too much only. Then the React GitHub also, let me show you where it is. Let me add the Tailwind CSS GitHub. So here you can see that the CSS framework, and its star is 71.k 3.7k. Okay, so you can see that how much it popular it is. Okay, so this is how we are able to integrate this as Tailwind CSS, and this is the one of the most top React UI libraries that we are discussing. Okay, so any doubt, any query? I am getting you all the information about the React UI libraries in this series. So be with me and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.